If you want to add social media icons to your video with you want to make it dope at the same time, this is the video for you. So in this video we are going to be seeing how you can use the social media icon or effects for your images and videos. So all you have to do to create that particular effect is to go to Higgsfield.ai, click on apps. After signing in, scroll and choose the social media icon. Then you'll be brought to a page like this where all you have to do is to upload your image, then switch this to video, generate your video, which will cost about 15 credits. And it's really cool because Higgsfield AI would actually give you enough credits for you to run this for free. And you would see the image that was originally uploaded. We can see it here. And then let's take a look at the video that was created. And this is the video that was created. You can see her pointing, and you can see YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram effects up here or hovering above her. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and please subscribe to our channel.